Good morning! Good morning, guys. Kumakain na ako dito, guys, ng banana bread. Look.
Good morning, Philippines.
Good morning, Philippines.
Philippines.
Why? What did you say?
Vietnam.
What the heck are you talking about?
Good morning, Vietnam.
Vietnam?
Philippines. Vietnam.
So, kumain ako ng banana bread and then he decided to cook a pancake. Sabi pa niya, just in case daw, gusto ko pang tumaba. I will be gaining more weight. There's no losing weight in this house. So don't be alarmed, guys, because I will be expanding my face and my body. Kain na naman tayo, guys. Walang katapusang kainan, 'di ba? Puro starch.
You want a fresh coffee to go with it?
No, I have coffee.
Orange juice?
I will just try one pancake this time. Orange juice? I never really drink orange juice.
No, you should.
I should? That's not really fresh, you know. That's not really organic thingy. That's the thing about it.
What? Orange juice.
Why the butt is burnt?
What's burnt? Is it? I left on the bottom too long.
It's okay. Sobrang soft niya. Hello guys, good evening. Naimbitahan po tayo ng ating kaibigan dito sa New York na mag-karaoke time sa Food Bites Asian Store. Sila yun, grupo na yan sila. Naimbitahan po kami. Palagi na lang kami naimbitahan at salamat po ng marami. Ito na yun sila, mga mukha. Oh my God, nihayag. Nihayag. Namula si Kuya. Hindi ko po pwedeng ano yung music, guys. Baka makapiright tayo. Alam nyo naman si Kuya Mark dito sa FB. Striktong-strikto sila. So kaya iiwas-iwas po tayo sa mga music kasi delikado po, guys. So ito yan si Ate Monina. Doon yan sa Food Bites. Siya yung palagi namin makikita doon sa tindahan. Mabait yan. And yun, so salamat po sa nag-imbita sa amin nila Kuya Earl at saka si Ate Juan at saka sa mga kasamahan pa nila. Salamat po sa inyo. Hangover sa karaoke. Nag-hangover kami sa karaoke kasi late na kami nakauwi kagabi. Alam niyo anong oras kami nakauwi? 1:00. Alauna kami nakauwi ni Lloyd. And then si Tammy gising. Gising din siya. Anyway. So, inom lang ako ng tubig para naman maano yung sakit sa ulo ko. Magluto lang din ako ng breakfast. Diba? For Tammy, binili ko to kahapon sa Filipino store para kay Tammy. Gusto niya ito, garlic. Fried garlic. And then, ito din. Tuba daw siya. Coconut, with sili, garlic, and yun, sili and garlic. Tuba. I-try natin ito. Quezon Best. So, diba? And then, bumili din ako nito, guys. Kasi ito yung gusto kong bilhin. Matagal-tagal na kina Kuya. Ito. Yung parang champurado ba? Pag champurado. Kokwa. And of course, bumili ako ng condensed milk and evaporated. And meron bumili din coconut milk. Dalawa. Ito yung gustong coconut milk ko. And para sa munggo. Magluto tayo ng munggo with this. At saka isda. Magluto tayo ng isda mamaya. So, yung asawa ko bumili ng steak. Where's the steak?
Yeah.
Oh, so andin ilagay niya sa,
We'll leave them in the packs.
how do you call that? Why?
Good.
Yan, kumain na kami and si Lloydie aalis na.
Put the,
Ha?
poke a little hole in it.
Yeah, few holes, honey. I want the air came out that makes it longer. Okay, guys. So, yan. Han, you gonna squeeze the other one, Han?
That's fine. Because we're not putting them together. That's it. We're not going to use one at a time, so we're going to use two, so we'll have to put the two.
Oh, it's working now. It's really slow, eh? I know the air is still gonna be there. That's how you're gonna ruin this really fast.
No, sir.
You see this? You don't listen. Hi guys, nakatulog po ako guys ng ilang oras. Ano na ngayon, 3:30 na, 'di ba? Natulog ako pag alis ni Lloyd, tulog agad ako kasi grabe yung pagod ko, yung mata ko hanggang ngayon masakit pa rin. Pagbangon ko, naglinis ako agad ng isda. Nakabili kasi ako ng isda doon sa tawag noon sa Filipino store. So, yun, ito siya. Nag-fry na ako dyan, guys. Pero ito si galunggong, guys. Wala, kinuhanan ko sila ng ulo. Kasi, you know, parang nahuhulog na yung ulo. Kasi dinidefrost ko siya eh. So, ngayon, yun, masarap yan, guys. Galunggong. Yun yung ulam natin. And, si Tammy, buti na lang itong asawa ko. Hindi talaga magreklamo, no? Kapag ganun. Hindi siya magreklamo pag close ko nga itong bedroom para make sure na hindi talaga papasok lahat ng amoy. Kasi amoy talaga isda. And, lang ako kasi, salamin po ako guys, kasi po, talaga yung mata ko sobrang sakit. So, lalo na kapag may screen sa harap ko, ginoo ko yung cellphone, ito, so I think hindi talaga ako mag-edit ngayon. Okay, so, andun si Tammy sa labas. Maginaw na talaga guys. Ito na yung sinasabing winter is in the air. Winter is andito na talaga, so kaya yun maginaw. But anyway, so yun. Ang taba ng ko ay chicks. Taba chicks. Hey baby lady, can't you talk to me? It's a dance to ta 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 ta. Hi guys. So hello guys. Anyway guys, ay, kakain na kami kasi nakalimutan kong kumain ng lunch. Oh my god, nakalimutan talaga. Hindi na ako nakakain ng lunch kasi yun, ang problema kasi kapag natulog kasi ako. So ngayon, gutom na ako. Time it is 5:14. O diba sobrang aga. Usually, the time is 6:14. Pero, tayo, diba? Back down. Yung clock is changing. So, that's what happening. Happy ng sinang ng. Okay, let's cut the chicken. Leftover lang yung kakainin namin kasi alam yan na. Hanap tayo ng plato ni Mr.
Huh?
Yes, love.
I just had the fried chicken.
You don't want this?
No, because...
You don't like it?
No, I do like it, but I'm going to have to use that to mix with dog food tomorrow, so I'm going to have the fried chicken.
No, you are telling me that this is not tasty enough.
The chicken was good.
So this is what
There was a leg in there, too.
I see that, but I like this part of the chicken.
You did? You eat? Okay, good girl. Miss? Come on, miss.
Maki, Misty, where is she, honey? Is she outside?
No.
Mm.
Come on, miss. In there. Come on.
Maki! Where is Maki Kang? So guys, kakain lang kami ng dinner kasi guys, hindi naman nakimakilikius. Ay, nabiyuing naman gininik. Yun guys, hangover ako guys. So pagod ako. So buong araw nakatulog ako. Kumain. Pagkatapos niyan, na. Tutulog na rin ako. Salamat sa inyong time, guys. So, yun. Masarap mag-party-party, karaoke, pero yun, nakaka-hangover kapag kahit konti lang yung ininom ko.